It's gonna be a lot. It has to go. This is the last thing I want to do right now. Love this thing. I want to tell all of their stories. I did that entire thing wrong. Why? I forgot about this. It is massive. Hey guys, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Julia and I am so glad you're here. Today we are doing a major clean out, specifically because I'm moving to college. I'm going to Santa Barbara in the fall, so that means we need to clean out my entire room, get rid of everything we don't need, plan what I'm gonna pack. I'm gonna do a whole separate packing video, and let me just say I haven't gone through my stuff, some of this in like years, like probably not since we moved here. It's just been accumulating. So I wrote us out a little plan. First off, we're going to do the closet, and we're going to my nightstand, which is a total mess. Then we're gonna tackle under my bed. Very soon I'm going to try on every single thing in my dresser. I've already tried on everything in my closet, so be sure to check those videos out and keep your eye open for the new one coming out. I'm doing a lot of this type of content over the summer, all in preparation for college. So I'm gonna say the words y'all know. Be sure to like and subscribe. I appreciate every single one of you. And without further ado, let's get into it. Get into cleaning out my closet, I just wanted to set a little timer for myself. I saw this on a deep cleaning video and I just really like the idea because I know for myself when I have a time crunch, I'm just gonna hustle in that time. So I have this cute little focus app. I've been growing my trees and I have 4 roses in my garden. I use it for my to-dos. It's a perfect little like check it off that way where you just tap the little button. This is not sponsored, I just love this little app for productivity. And if you leave the app, go onto a different app during your focus time, then your tree dies, which is really sad. So I just put it on this little clean out closet and it's under the tag of the to-do of filming this video. I'm gonna give myself 55 minutes and we're gonna start. So now it just kind of sits like this for the whole 55 minutes and I can't leave the app. Also, I have this gorgeous basket from Goodpick, which I'll give you guys the details of that later. We're gonna put all of our keep items in here for now, and then I'm gonna grab a box and we're gonna put all of our giveaway items in there. Look how huge this thing is though. I love it. But yeah, I'm just gonna pull everything down from here that you can see, probably sort through that first, and then go through all 8 drawers. It's gonna be a lot. Already realizing we're gonna need a little recycling pile. This makes me sad. What do you do with old planners? It seems like such a waste. I think I thought that last year too, because it's 2020 to 2021. Wait, this was my plan for my birthday last year. We played hide and seek in IKEA. So many dog magazines. This is so funny. I need to show you. Happy Paws, Dogster, Inside Your Dog's Mind, Modern Dog, and The Ultimate Guide to the Animal Mind. And then these are all Brio magazines, which I think I might give them to someone. Nicely cleared out. I'm just gonna wipe them down, start putting things back that are in here. But before I forget, I'm gonna grab my other notebooks and my composition books that are in the bin under my bed. We're not gonna do under my bed yet, but I just feel like they would fit in here nicely, and I remember seeing them. So pretty much everything is out of our keeper bin. There's just a couple things that I think will fit better in the drawers, and now I'm just gonna go through the drawers, like pull everything out, wipe them down, hopefully organize those. Shells in here, I don't know what to do with. Okay, so in here we're getting rid of my giant bag of shells and driftwood, and I'm gonna hopefully find somebody that appreciates that because they were super cute. They're all from Mendocino, and we're just keeping my little jar of sea glass and some abalone because I think that'll look really cute in my dorm, and I think my roommate will appreciate it. We have some macrame plant hangers and just a wall hanging, so I think I'll hopefully bring this to Santa Barbara too. And we got lace because we always need lace. I have an art backpack that I'm definitely gonna want to look through and move some of this stuff in the backpack or some of the art stuff in here. I don't know, still figuring it out, but there's plenty of space. I think I remember what this is. Haha, it's desktop darts. When have I ever burned incense? I just got them because they smell good. That's crazy. I knew it. It's a workout. A workout that I wrote out. I remember doing this at the park during COVID. So much to learn. There's nothing to put back in this one. Okay, we're also not keeping anything for in here, but I think we're gonna make this another gifts drawer for people. Is this? I can't show this drawer because that's my gifts for other people and they might see it. So yeah, just know that I'm putting gifts in here and there. And then honestly, when I go through my bins under my bed, then I might start filling up these drawers, but like the point is not to fill them, you know? Alright, here's where we're at. Drawer opens so much easier. It definitely is not the most organized, mostly because of the lays in here, but I kind of just want to keep them for now. I might even take them with me. So the stuff I think will make cute room decor there. Now here's this one. So much better. This is just my card stuff and some colored pencils. And this is cute. I really want to paint this. And here, so much better. That's insane. Oh man, all my CDs. Here is empty. Oh shoot. I guess we have more room for gifts. And in here, it's pretty much just the room decor that I'm gonna take with me. And then yeah, cute. And then in here, yeah, empty gifts. And these are our piles. So it looks completely messed up, but I promise I have a system. These are like giveaway, give to someone, garage sale, that sort of thing. Recycling. Don't know about the rocks and the shells. We'll see. Pictures going, so all of these are going somewhere else. Whether that's in an art supply spot, school supply spot, or in a drawer somewhere. Okay, we're getting even more squished back here. Let's head to the back of my closet, around all the clothes. Gosh, this is the last thing I want to do right now. Okay. Honestly, most of this could be thrown out. I'm just scared I'm gonna play soccer again. We're gonna deal with that later. This is just more soccer stuff. This is kind of cool. I think I could give all of these away and not be sad. That's what we're gonna do. Oh, this one, pretty cool. And it says Schultz. I forgot about this. Maybe I just leave everything in this bag. Basket, we're only keeping this blanket and a little macrame plant holder, but I put that in my drawer with the rest of them. Okay, wow, this is crazy. It doesn't look aesthetic or anything. It just looks like more empty, which I love. So we have an actual space here. This whole pile, these are to go in our art supplies or craft supplies, just somewhere else in our house, maybe my keepsakes. Then we have our little recycling. I do not know what to do with my rocks and shells over there. And then these are our giveaways, and then in here are some things that I'm probably gonna gift to people. Okay, let's play a game called Let's See How Many Rooms This Fits In, because my room is too messy to film in. We're gonna take this baby all around the house and see where it matches best, which honestly, I do not think will be a challenge. Look at this beauty. Let's go. First off is the family room. Just put it in that little sunny nook and look how perfectly that fits there. And my mom has a million pillows and blankets, so let's see how they look in there. Okay, wait, how cute is that? And literally this basket is like so solid. Like this is kind of heavy, not gonna lie. And I just feel like it matches everything so perfectly. This is so cute. Family room is a pass. And I was not expecting to be able to put this in the dining room, but look at that. I love it. And we have our games in this cupboard, so I'm gonna see if they fit nicely in the basket. Oh my gosh, I love that. That's so cute. Imagine just going in there and grabbing the games. And I could fit so many more. This basket is huge. Picture this. You want to have people over to chill and sit in the family room, but you have laundry. What do? And voila, your couch is clear. No one will ever know, and it looks stunning. Someone tell me why it even looks good in our bathroom. Why is this actually really cute? Personally, what I'm stoked for is taking this baby to college. I feel like it's gonna be the perfect laundry basket, and I cannot think of a single thing it would not go with. Goodpick is made of all natural fibers, which I love, and it makes them safe to have literally anywhere in the house. Isn't that right? So huge thank you to Goodpick for sending me this beautiful basket. Now let's get back into the video. All their stuff is linked down below. Check it out. Okay, that actually took like a lot longer than I thought, but we still have time, and since I still have some energy, I'm thinking we just go straight to cleaning out under my bed, and then cleaning up the nightstand will be the last thing, and it'll be nice and easy. Also, I'm trying to decide if I like this hair. Is it too poofy? I think it's kind of fun. All right, let's see what's under my bed. Ew. I don't even know if I'm getting everything in the shot, but we have 3 bins here. They're like somewhat organized. We have like a gift bin for people, a stuffed animals bin, a random bin, my art portfolio, more art supplies in a very, very dusty case. We got more stuffed animals, blankets, pillows. This is like such random stuff. I don't even know. 2 soccer balls, my karaoke machine, like it has to go. Can't see that. Okay, I can't really show what's in here because these are a lot of gifts for people, but I'll just tell you that a lot of these are going in the drawers in my closet. Why? It's all my old Fitbit watch bands. They don't even fit the Fitbit I have now. I have a rock in here. I remember I used to like to smash rocks to see if there's quartz inside. It's like how pretty. And now I'm just gonna throw it away. I kept all of these for why? I wish I had the cover for this, but this, you know what? I'm just gonna rip it. I'm gonna hope it's not too dry. It doesn't just die right now. So we're gonna see how long this takes to go around. I give up. Just look. I'm gonna wrap this up again. Okay, well this bin is empty. That's nice. I really don't want to put anything back in here. I don't think I have to either. So let's move on. The songs I wrote. Why are there so many? That many songs. I don't know if you can even see that. I should probably keep that. I'm kind of forming 3 piles right now. We have the keeping for sentimental reasons, keeping for school, which is just this so far, and recycle. So much ukulele like music stuff, which I absolutely love, but I also actually no. You know what? My roommate is musical. I'm gonna bring this to college. I've decided we're just gonna put like nostalgic stuff in here. So this is not to be taken to college. We made a decision. I think we're gonna leave this open because I'm gonna go through my stuffed animals, but I need to be ruthless and actually get rid of them. They all have a story. Literally every single one of them. If I get rid of them, I have to at least take pictures. I want to tell all of their stories, but that would take like an entire video. Should I make a video on that? That would be so cute. There's been little things like this everywhere. I was obsessed with twine. Hello. Okay, now you can get rid of them. Sorry. Oh, this one. Her name's Nacho. We're keeping her. This one too. And these are the OGs. These are my first ones, I think. The first ones I remember. We have room to keep these. This is my old diary, and I was so secretive about it. I would like hide the key in this little box among many keys, which I don't know what they opened, and I would hide them. And normally I would not put them in the same bin because then they could be uncovered together, but I guess I thought it was safe, you know? Very into stuffed animals. Okay, wow, we're down to just 1 bin. That's amazing.
You make me wanna be with somebody, doing things that I usually don't. Find my way through the hotel lobby.
Wait, I did that entire thing wrong.
All my friends think I'm with somebody.
I was just like consolidating consolidating a bit of our mess, because yeah. And then I realized I also have this picture I got thrifting, which I love. I don't think I can take it to college with me. I never actually put it up, I just kind of leaned it. So I think we'll probably try to sell that or give it away or something. I honestly don't know how I'm planning on selling these things. Also, we have this massive thing from Ross, I think. And I just love the idea of it, but I definitely can't take that to college. So we'll try to get rid of that too. Here's a quick update on the pile. It is massive. That whole box is full, and we have lots of room decor, which is, you know, huge, and my record player. So just keep an eye out on the Instagram, because I'm definitely going to be trying to sell some of these things. We're just going to have to roll with the weird lighting on this one, because we're kind of like right next to the window. But I totally forgot to do my focus mode for under my bed, so we're going to do it for now, just to have the timer, you know. So I'm going to set it for 50 minutes, actually 45, and I just press start, and now my tree is growing. It's given me a rose the past 4 times. I kind of want a different tree.
Up, down, on the road, I've been around the floor, rooftops, sliding doors, just wanna know you more. I hope you wanna be with somebody.
It was a lot easier than I thought. I feel like that's been the theme through this whole thing, because it's been so long. It's like, oh yeah, I'm not gonna keep that. This is what we're keeping for in here. There's a couple notes in there, and notes will go. This beautiful box. This is where I've kept a lot of cards and stuff. This is awfully dusty. I love this thing.
Keep me floating, I'm on my bed. Slow me down when I'm living fast.
I don't think she'll ever see this. Thank you. Maddie, I love you, and I love this. So cute. My favorite part, but you bop it on the head to change colors.
Find my way through the hotel.
Wow, it's actually crazy how much space is in here. Oh my gosh, I love how everything's organized too. This makes me really happy. Very happy with this. Our final pile. Just added a few things to it. It is still massive. And that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. This was really fun to make, and now I just feel so prepared for college. I feel like I know what I have, I know what I'm gonna pack, and I was able to get rid of so much stuff. It's so nice. So I really hope this inspires you, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more of this content. I will definitely have a lot of this stuff to do for college, so if you enjoy this, I want to take you guys along with me. Stay tuned for more, and remember, Jesus loves you so much. I love you too. Go have a great day. Bye guys.